What's going on, everyone? It's K-Dub here with more news and headlines from dcforecasts.com. Hope everyone had a great weekend so far. Now, if we have a look at what's been going on, I'd like to kind of look a little bit of a retrospective of September, looking at the Bitcoin price. So we noticed that it has increased from 6,100 to 6,550 during that entire month. Now, even though Bitcoin experienced 4 major dips in its price during the month of September, it consecutively rose and stabilized in a higher region than many expected. So, given that the Bitcoin price rose after every single fall, it's pretty safe to say that it's also strengthened its support level at 6,000, and the momentum at 6,550, according to analysts, could mean a potential breakthrough to the upside. So this intensity will likely continue if the asset engages in a gradual recovery throughout the month of October. So a rapid increase could lead the price of Bitcoin close to that $7,000 mark, or even the $8,000 margins by the end of the year. Masayuki Toshiro, who is a well-known market analyst, stated his opinion regarding Bitcoin in August this year, saying, "Personally, I am bullish, and by the time the outline of the regulations will come together in October, those investors who will feel safer will come back. I hope things won't get as overheated as last year, but I believe Bitcoin can win back the value of $1,000,000 or the equivalent of 9,020 US dollars. Now, moving on to some other news, we have major exchange Gemini announced a new insurance on cryptocurrencies that will help all of Bitcoin and altcoin holders active on the exchange to secure their funds and get insured protection, according to the exchange. So, in a press release, the exchange announced the new coverage on custodial digital assets, which is already in effect as of October 1st, and provided on digital assets that are held in Gemini's custodial service. So the partnership includes Aon, which is the leading global professional service that offers a range of risk, retirement, and health solutions, which arranged the partnership through a global consortium of industry-leading insurers. So, the head risk at Gemini stated, "Consumers are looking for the same levels of insured protection they're used to being afforded by traditional financial institutions. Educating our insurers not only allows us to provide such protection to our customers, but it also sets the expectation for consumer protection across the crypto industry." It is safe to say that Gemini stirred up a lot of attention recently, especially with the launch of new products and new services such as this insurance, as well as the Gemini dollar, GUSD, for the ticker, as the new dollar-peg stablecoin that looks very promising in the market. Moving on. So, we have a new survey that says the use of blockchain in life science has tripled since last year. So, the survey issued by Pistoia Alliance, which is a global nonprofit of life science firm, showed that 60% of the professionals in the pharmaceutical and life science sectors are either using or experimenting with blockchain, compared to 22% of them who said the same time last year that they really weren't. So, what's interesting is the 55% of the remaining 40% of the respondents with no plans of implementing blockchain said that the lack of skilled blockchain personnel is what's stopping them from adopting the technology. The survey also showed that another 16% of the respondents saw blockchain as too difficult to understand technology, which is why it served as a barrier to adoption. However, despite the percentage that blockchain was a complex technology, the awareness regarding it as a form of technology was increasing. The president of the Pistoia Alliance, Michael Arlington, commented with the results by saying, "Blockchain provides an additional layer of trust for scientists and their organizations. We hope the security benefits of the technology help to lessen reticence over sharing and transferring data or information, and will facilitate further cross-industry collaboration and knowledge sharing. We believe blockchain will open up new opportunities for the industry to begin sharing data more securely to advance drug discovery, ultimately making patients' lives better." Of course, it wouldn't be a day in crypto news without a story like this. So, fraudsters posing as debt collectors convinced 4 victims to deposit over $50,000 into a Bitcoin ATM in Australia's southern county of Victoria. Police authorities stated that all victims were migrants and were bullied into paying up a hefty amount into the ATM, with the hackers warning of severe legal consequences if the amount was not paid. The 4 victims were told to encash money from local bank accounts and deposit funds to a Bitcoin ATM in the Baybrook area of Melbourne. All victims were given a code prior to the deposit that contained the attacker's Bitcoin address. The 4 crimes were not conducted together, and the victims' accounts to local police prove the attackers utilized variations of their scam to extort funds. In a few narratives, fraudsters posing as federal agents called the victims to confirm their debts, police said. Crime investigation detective Catherine Lapon scammer believes the scam may have trapped many more victims and urges citizens to provide their accounts in case of facing a similar incident. But let's not end on some bad news. We have some good news. So BlackBerry is launching a blockchain-based platform for medical data sharing. So according to the release, the company has come up with a blockchain solution for securing data sharing among healthcare providers with the main aim of improving patient outcomes. BlackBerry will use its Network Operator Center, or NOC, in order to power a blockchain digital ledger that will help create a secure global system for storing and sharing patient medical data, according to the release. So the blockchain will be provided by OneBio, which is a peer-to-peer marketplace for bio data. As a longtime developer of smartphones and tablets, BlackBerry recently unveiled their new product called BlackBerry Spark, which is an enterprise of things platform that aims to transform the global delivery of healthcare data. So, according to the CEO of BlackBerry and the current chairman, John Chen, at BlackBerry, we are applying our expertise in security, data privacy, and communication work in regulated industries such as automotive, financial services, and government to tackle one of the biggest challenges in the healthcare industry, leveraging healthcare endpoints to improve patient outcomes while ensuring security and data privacy. So the new solution by the company may also improve medical data as we know it, but also enable it to remain tamper-proof and anonymous so that it can be shared with researchers. The company is also offering the Ledger solution for the first time to the Global Commission, which works to end the diagnostic chaos for children with rare diseases also. So that is really great news moving forward. I love to hear this adoption in the space. Really great way to end today's news video. That being said, I hope that you have had a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel for more news and headlines from dcforecasts.com. Until next time, my name is K-Dub. Thank you for stopping by. Stay crypto and peace out.